Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. With strong gusting winds and the nearby airport and heliport putting me close to controlled airspace, I decided to keep the drone grounded this time. Playing it safe seemed like the right move, but I still hope you enjoy the video. Coronation, Alberta, about 170 kilometers east of Red Deer, sits quietly on the prairie, where grain elevators once lined the tracks and the sky stretches as far as the eye can see. Founded in the early 1900s with the arrival of the railway, Coronation was named in honor of King George V's coronation. Like many prairie towns, it owes its existence to the steel rails and the people who followed them, carving out a new life in Alberta's southeast. At the center of town, the Coronation Water Tower still stands tall, a steel sentinel since the early 1900s. More than just infrastructure, it's a familiar part of the skyline and a symbol of local endurance. History lives on through landmarks like the Coronation Heritage Museum, where stories of pioneers, prairie schools, and railways are kept alive. And sitting close by, the Pharmacy Museum offers a unique look at early medicine on the prairies, with vintage remedies, tools, and furnishings that feel frozen in time. To the north of town, Gooseberry Lake Provincial Park offers wide open spaces, bird watching, and quiet lakeside camping. It's a favorite retreat for families and a nesting ground for white pelicans during migration. Coronation has faced its share of trials, like the fires that claimed several early buildings, but the people here have always rebuilt, adapted, and carried forward what matters most. Today, Coronation blends small-town resilience with a deep respect for the past. Whether you're stopping by or staying longer, it's a place where Alberta's history still feels alive. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you did. Feel free to share it with friends or family members so you think they enjoy it. And remember, you can find gradient imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.